Hello guys and welcome to Crysis, running on 2 Titan RTX during GPU architecture in SLI through NVLink bridge. And today guys I'm going to show you 4K resolution without the anti-aliasing. Then I'm going to show you 4K resolution with 8 times anti-aliasing, and of course we're going to run everything at very high except the motion blur will be off. But motion blur doesn't take even 1 FPS, it's maximum 1 FPS, keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and get going guys. I'm going to start the level of just the beginning of the level, the first level of the Crysis, the island, and let's go ahead and get landed and have a look. In the end of this video guys, I'm going to show you more information about my PC hardware that I'm running today, and during this video we will talk a lot about PC hardware and a lot about the left top corner display information that is updating every single second. I call it TOFFER guys. T stands for the temperature, U stands for the usage, F stands for the frequency, and FR stands for the fan rotation. Pretty self-explanatory guys.
Hey, Nomad, you still with us?
Okay, listen up, gentlemen. Intel reports a significant military presence.
Guys, I'm running today the Crysis on the it's a Crysis vanilla. There is no mode. Classic Crysis, which is the original game. I decided to show it to you guys without any modes. Please keep that in mind.
Locate and evacuate. We're not at war here.
Not yet. Right. Do we even know if these people are still alive?
That's what we're here to find out. We lost contact with Dr. Rosenthal a week ago.
Look at that 246 FPS during this scene. 246 FPS. This is not a joke. The latency delay below 5 milliseconds average. Wow. The experience is amazing in terms of the gameplay. Utilization is above 90%, so we have at least 1.8 times faster than a single Titan RTX while we're running 2 Titan RTX and SLI. Keep that in mind. So advantage of will be 1.8 times at least. And guys, this is the 4K resolution, this is not the 1080p. And hopefully I will have the with 8 times MSA, my GPU utilization 99% per each GPU, and then it's going to be like a wow factor. Again, this is the TU102 GPU during GPU architecture. Each Titan RTX has 24 GB of the GDDR6 Samsung VRAM. And look at this, incoming. BAM!
My shoot's gone. My damn shoot is gone. I've got no
wow.
no reserve.
Look at this. CryEngine 2 running above 200 FPS comfortably. And this is at 4K resolution.
I'm okay. But my HUD's scrambled.
Guys, in the end of this video, I mean, in the video description, I will attach my SLI profile, so you can inject it just in case if you don't have with 2 Titan RTXs the similar scalability of utilization of 2 GPUs. But I'm running late December 2019 drivers. Keep that in mind. This is how Crysis vanilla original looks like, guys, on 4K resolution without any modes, but we can add some modes to make it to another level. This is DirectX 10 guys, not DirectX 9. On the DirectX 10 means the tessellation in the water, but with the modes you can bring the tessellation on the water through the modes as well in DirectX 9 API. Wow, SLI utilization just went south, below 80%, below 75%. Wow, this is not nice. But still We're running like 1.6 times faster than a single Titan RTX, but still we're delivering 185 FPS. Wow, on average. Guys, today I'm recording this video with the ShadowPlay. Please add 3 FPS to the FPS counter to get the FPS without the ShadowPlay recording, because the ShadowPlay recorder software by NVIDIA is running on the same computer and utilizing a little bit of the GPU and VRAM, and it can taxing about 3 FPS. Look at this beautiful visuals. Yeah, buddy. We're not gonna touch it. There's some ladies complaining that I'm touching the turtles, so I cannot touch you guys. She's not complaining because I'm touching the North Korean people, but she's complaining because I'm touching turtles. What a smart lady. Look at this. Guys, it's running so silky smooth, like unbelievable smooth. I don't feel like, if I'm gonna put you right now on the computer, you will never tell that on this particular game, you will never tell that I'm running in SLI. Never ever. If I'm going to hide the FPS from you, because you can guess by the FPS. 5300 MHz, guys, Core i9 9900K. I disabled 2 cores and I disabled the hyper threading technology, so I'm utilizing only physical cores, 6 cores, 6 threads. And the reason why I did so, because I believe that physical cores creating higher latency delay, and we don't need more CUDA cores. We're good to go over here anyways. Check it out, guys. Huh? Oh, look at that. We're gonna... ¿Qué pasó? ¿Por qué trabajo, muchacho? We're gonna make sure that you're going to land in the water, man. Okay, I promise you. Check it out, guys. Oh, my bad. Oh my goodness, dude, what the heck? Are you... Did you go to the acrobatic school or something? That's it. Wow, that was nice, man. You deserve a medal for that. Okay, guys, so hopefully you're liking it, and we're about to be finished over here. I just want to show you the scene, the another scene. So I'm not gonna play nice. I'm just going to... It's not about the gameplay anyways. This is about the figures, the performance data, so we can compare it with the future GPU architectures. But check it out. When I'm going to shoot, this is the Crysis, baby. Look at this. Physics, nice in the water. Guys, I'm also going to show you on 2 Titan RTXs at 8K resolution with a beautiful mode, so stay tuned. I'm also going to show you 16K resolution, 12K resolution, 10K resolution, because, by the way, I didn't tell you, my name is iPlay4K, aka iPlay16K, and I was the first YouTuber that showed you Crysis 1 or Crysis 2 or Crysis 2 or Crysis 3 in 16K resolution in 2019. I showed you Crysis 1 in 16K resolution running 2 RTX 2080 Ti and SLI, and I show you Crysis 3 running in 16K resolution in December 25th, 2019, running 2 Titan RTXs, the same system that I'm running right now. So let me real quick go ahead and get to the checkpoint, and I'm going to play that animation that's going to be based on the game engine. So the animation, that the 3D animation that you saw at the beginning of this video, it was based on the game engine through the CryEngine 2, guys. Keep that in mind. And it was utilizing completely GPU while it was rendering 3D within the game engine. It wasn't just pre-recorded video. And look at this. GPU utilization is not great, so look like I'm not going to attach you any SLI profile. It was great at the beginning, but then it went south, as you can see. And this is the default NVIDIA SLI profile. I didn't play with the profile yet on my fresh install on my 2 Titan RTX system and SLI through the NVlink. Look at this. This is just beautiful. Wow. Guys, don't you think it's beautiful? As again, before I will let you go to a different presets, I just want to show you that we were running like this with no anti-aliasing, but very high on everything. Here we go. Wow, look at that FPS. Of course, the utilization is south. Could be much better. As you saw, when the utilization is great, the FPS is almost 300 FPS average in 4K resolution. But still low latency delay, still above, even with the bad utilization, because 80% and everything below 80% I consider bad SLI utilization. Pretty much you're going to be about 1.5, 1.6 times faster than a single Titan RTX, which is not great, because it's better to receive 1.9 times faster than a single Titan RTX with two Titan RTX and SLI, right? That's why you purchase that. But as you can see, it's not the case in real life. So look at this. Wow. This is DirectX 10, guys. DirectX 9 will be a little bit different in terms of SLI utilization. Keep that in mind.
Negative, sir.
And higher resolution, such as 8K resolution that you're going to see over the iPlay4K, 8K, iPlay16K YouTube channel, or 10K or 12K or even 16K will show you guys a different GPU utilization as well. The higher resolution, the better GPU utilization. Keep that in mind. My driver right now in NVIDIA set at the maximum performance. Keep that in mind. So I'm not slowed down by the driver. Look at that CPU utilization, below 40%, guys. So those copycats, those marketers like Linus, Nexus, and all of this, they want you to buy the hardware, the cores, the AMD cores that you don't need. Pretty much the AMD 3000 series CPU is pretty much their server CPU kind of re-innovated and rebranded. But pretty much the same thing from 2014, 2013. And this is the Intel frequency pumping, 5.3 gigahertz. The higher frequency, as you can see, we don't need that cores. We just need the higher frequency, and that's all. Oh my god, I'm out of ammo. What's going on here? I picked up the... Okay, what we gonna do, buddy? No, 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 no. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Por qué trabajo? Muchacho. We're gonna do the ambush. Oh my god, look at this. This dude killed you, man. It wasn't me, it was that dude. So guys, the Crysis PC game, as you can see, still looks amazing. This is one of the classic PC games, and it's just amazing. Guys, I'm also going to show you with ray tracing, kinda fake ray tracing by some developer, but it's not the RTX. It's kinda some kinda ray tracing, global illumination and stuff like that. HDR improved through injecting some algorithms to the DirectX 10 API by third-party developer. But look how beautiful this game still looks like, guys. And you can do stuff like that. Check it out. Only in Crysis 2. Oops. Not all the time, not at every single sprite, but see that? The bullet shaking the sprite of the leaf. Oh, it's going to be a nice moment right here. Check it out. A lot of people, the veteran of PC gamers, remember this moment for sure. Do they remember this dude right here? They should. Okay, so stay tuned. A lot of cool videos. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and switch it now, and we're going to start it over. I want to switch it to very high, but we want to improve 8 times MSA, 8 times anti-aliasing, and we're going to reboot the level I'm going to have a nice dinner after this point, and this video will be uploaded today, guys, for you to watch. The island, the first level of Crysis 1. Guys, on 2 Titan RTXs, I can run this game 8K resolution above 100 FPS. This is incredible.
Hey, Nomad, you still with us?
Okay, look at this.
Okay, listen up.
Still above 200 FPS when the GPU utilization above 90%. So right now we're about, I would say, 1.8 times
North Koreans
at least
know we're here.
in terms of GPU utilization.
Can it, Psycho?
Guys,
Pay
the
attention. This is a covert
2 Titan
operation.
RTXs right now running completely stock.
To locate
Stock on the VRAM and stock on the GPU's frequencies. My CPU is only overclocked. And I don't believe in DDR4, I don't believe in DDR4 above, in 4K resolution and above, that it brings the value in terms of the FPS. In 1080p, yes, it's CPU intense, it's using system RAM a lot, 1440p, even less than 1080p, but still bringing some value, but not 4K resolution. Guys, keep in mind that 2 RTX 2080 Ti and SLI cannot touch right now 2 Titan RTXs. Why? Because 2 Titan RTXs has, single Titan RTX has 256 CUDA cores advantage over RTX 2080 Ti video card. So let's say you can overclock your RTX 2080 Ti video card and you can be equal to Titan RTX or even a hair faster, right? Couple FPS faster. Okay, it's only 256 CUDA cores when the Titan RTX is running stock. Because when Titan RTX will be overclocked, you will be lost with RTX 2080 Ti video card maximum overclock on air, right? But 2 Titan RTXs, guys, brings you 512 CUDA cores advantage over the 2 RTX 2080 Ti, and this is where the acceleration of the 2 Titan RTXs begins in combo in 2 video cards. And this is where you cannot touch now. Maximum 2 RTX 2080 Ti overclock on air cannot touch 2 Titan RTX running stock in SLI. Combo versus combo. Because 512 CUDA cores performance advantage. It's like, imagine I'm running 2 RTX 2080 Ti at 100% GPU utilization per GPU 1 and GPU 2. And then I'm running 2 RTX 2080 Ti at 85% GPU 1 utilization and GPU 2 utilization. It's same thing when you're going to be lacking 512 CUDA cores. Okay, because that GPU utilization is the lacking of the CUDA cores. It's not utilized. So hopefully this makes sense. Beautiful. Look at this game. Yep, leaving some footprints. You can confuse the enemy, so you gotta walk backwards into the water, so they will think that, you know, you went that way instead of to the water. Still below, guys, 10 milliseconds latency delay. Wow, FPS is above 120 FPS average, so on 120 Hertz it's going to be amazing experience. But the GPU utilization, as you can see, is still below 80%. Even below 70% right now at the left top. The CPU utilization below 30%. And I'm running only 6 cores, 6 threads. I disable as again 2 cores, and I disable the hyper threading technology just to, so I'm not going to use the logical cores, and I'm going to only utilize the physical cores to eliminate the latency delay as best as possible. So this is why, and increase my frequency impulsing of the signal as fast as possible at 5.3 gigahertz. Hopefully, guys, this makes sense. You only need an extra 2 cores when your CPU utilization above 92% for overall CPU utilization. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, you don't need it. Alright, guys, I'm not going to stay here for a long time. I'm not going to show you a beautiful thing. I'm just going to run. We're almost going to wrap it up. I'm trying to make this, I forgot that I tried to make this video as short as possible. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm gonna use silencer. We're gonna no attachments, no lights.
I read you. Give a sit rep. Something to persuade me on the way down.
Okay, excellent.
I'm caught up in the trees. Okay, Aztec.
Look at this, even below 80% utilization. It's about, I would say, 1.6 times at least faster than single Titan RTX. We're still above 130 FPS average. And I'm recording with the ShadowPlay. Right now 120 FPS average, but still about 120 FPS average. And I'm recording with the ShadowPlay. Go ahead and add 3 FPS to the FPS counter, guys.
Come on, let's get to Aztec.
Wow, this is amazing. Amazing experience. Guys, go ahead and check out 16K resolution of Crysis on 2 RTX 2080 Ti's, and also after this video I'm going to record 16K resolution on 2 Titan RTXs and on single Titan RTX. I also recorded on single RTX 2080 Ti video card, 16K resolution, 12K resolution. I'm going to record 10K resolution, 8K resolution, everything in Crysis. I'm going to cover on the top dock of the Turing GPU architecture such as Titan RTX or combo Titan of RTXs, which is in SLI through the NVLink that I'm running right now. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. You can put some modes, you can increase the visuals, you can pretty much have a lot of fun. But keep in mind, you want to have single Titan RTX is waste of money. You don't want to buy single Titan RTX at all. If you consider something like that, buy yourself 2 RTX 2080 Ti video cards. You only want to buy 2 Titan RTXs and SLI, guys, and only if you're thinking to play any games at 8K resolution comfortably. 2 Titan RTX in 2018 will allow you to do that at 8K resolution native. Keep that in mind. At 50-60 FPS, no matter what kind of game we're talking, with the maximum visuals, without the anti-aliasing. This is exactly why you want to buy 2 Titan RTXs, or to play above 8K resolution in the kind of older games, to see 10K resolution DSR to 8K resolution, or 12K resolution to 8K resolution, or even 16K resolution like in this Crysis to 8K native screen, and you're going to enjoy. This is the only way why you want to buy it, even if it has that extra CUDA cores advantages, but it's not going to be utilized
I don't know, but I don't
in
think
some
you're
of the
wrong.
games.
What have you got?
The
Negative, sir. You got
above 92% CUDA cores always utilized
something else to
in 8K resolution and above,
for their bodies up bad.
almost in 99% of the games that I tested, but in most of them it's staying like 95.97% on GPU utilization per each GPU in SLI when you're playing 8K resolution and above, almost in any games that I tested. And this is where your Titan RTX's combo in SLI will shine versus the 2 RTX 2080 Ti, because the advantage of 512 CUDA cores, and on top of it you can overclock it. The GDDR6 Samsung memory on Titan RTXs, guys, is overclockable additionally up to 2000 MHz stable. Keep that in mind. But this is the completely stock performance, because you know it depends what kind of GPU you're gonna get and stuff like that, and what kind of video card you will get. Sometimes you're gonna get a good overclocker, sometimes bad overclocker. So I decided just to go ahead and show you at stock. Alright, guys, well, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me real quick go ahead and show you the PC hardware specification that I was running today, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up with this video. So, but pretty much as again, I'm not gonna cut this video. I was running it like this, like that, okay? And let me real quick go ahead and show you how fast this computer is and why I decided to go ahead and go 6 core 6 threads. This is GPU under the IDA 64 version 6.20.5300. Okay, This is my CPU Z. This is the MSI afterburner. As you can see, completely stock. Fan rotation 100% per eGPU. And power limit all the way, and temperature limit all the way. This is the CPU utilization under Windows of 6 cores. This is my memory benchmark of 2133 MHz DDR4 at CL13. This is how it's scored. You can compare it with yours. I was running an ASUS Maximums 11 here Wi-Fi motherboard that I do not advise you to have a Z390 chipset. Go ahead and grab yourself Gigabyte or MSI. Here's the 1066 megahertz times 2, 2133 megahertz CL13 right here, right? 2 Titan RTXs equipped with the 24 gigabyte of GDDR6 Samsung. As you can see, this is how NVIDIA does it. And guys, look at this single thread performance. Let me put the i9 9900K. So this is 8 cores, 16 threads versus my i9 9900K 6 cores, 6 threads. In the games, guys, every single core should be at maximum possible performance, and this is the case. I'm outperforming by 46 points, core to core, thread to thread. Okay, versus the i9 9900K at stock with 8 cores, 16 threads. Because my frequency 5.3 gigahertz, 5300 megahertz, impulsing that signal faster and outputting a little bit faster FPS. Keep that in mind in the games, PC games. And it doesn't matter multi-threaded performance, because we didn't utilize even 30% of our CPU. We don't need an extra cores. Yes, in some applications that requires the extra cores, you're going to outperform me, even on stock i9 9900K. But there is no such a games, guys, required at 4K resolution above 6 cores. I didn't see any games at 4K resolution and above that will utilize above 92% of my CPU core. Only the Star Wars Jedi, I believe, the last Jedi, whatever that Jedi Order, that game is kind of like 92, sometimes even 95 on 6 core at 4K resolution. But you know, and I can play that game with 2 Titan RTX at 8K resolution in 50-60 FPS and have fun. And by the way, I'm going to record it for you. But anyways, guys, so hopefully you understood the idea. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, right now I'm putting some great videos for you to check out. Don't forget to smash that like button for your support and motivation for me to create more great videos. Check out my 16K resolution videos, 8K resolution videos. Go ahead and visit the iPlay4K.com YouTube channel or iPlay16K.com YouTube channel for 16K resolution videos. Guys, and I will see you till the next time. Have a great day, evening, morning, and till the next time. See ya. Bye.